This Manila Hotel, you can see how it's got that historic look when you get inside, and it's absolutely stunning. So we're gonna go take a look at the room, and this is my room right here, and you can see the other rooms down the hallway, and you can just see the architecture. So I'm staying. Here. Here's my one bag travel and TV. So behind me is the Manila Hotel here in Manila, Philippines, and is one of the oldest hotels here in the PI, and it was established in 1912, and this is the outside of it, and I'm actually staying here, and one thing I like to do is stay in historic places, and this is one historic hotel, and a beautiful hotel at that, with famous folks including Ernest Hemingway and Douglas MacArthur probably being one of the most famous of all that actually stayed in this hotel. Although that's just a small amount of people, many dignitaries and have stayed at this beautiful hotel here. So actually gonna come into the lobby area here of the hotel, and I'll check that out. This is really neat. So this is the famous hotel, and good morning, sir. And right here, as I said earlier, established in 1912. Right, the lobby. Good morning, sir. So this is the inside of the lobby of the Manila Hotel, and I thought I'd show you this plaque. This marker is dedicated to the Supreme Court of the Philippines, Manila Hotel. And I'm kind of swing it around and show you what they have here. This is kind of like a little bakery, maybe coffee shop. And look at these chandeliers. This is where you check in. Kind of like almost like red carpet treatment here. Kind of make myself go around. Size of this mirror. So what's cool about this right here is I'm actually on the platform here, a little bit forward of the lobby here, and it gives you an overall look. Look at the ceiling. And you can tell how historic this hotel is just by walking in. You know, it's modernized, but yet it's got that historic theme that you can actually feel. I just love these chandeliers. Now, I'm actually going to try to get a really good view right from the center and just kind of do a 360, starting with this chandelier that's like right there in the middle. So check this out. So I'll give you kind of a rundown when you actually come into this hotel. These are the main entrances, and then you'll actually go through security, which is good. Definitely need security. So you take off all your bags, they run them through the x-ray, and then you come to the main lounge. Come up to the top side. I just love these mirrors. Look at this chair right here, this bench. This grand piano. Let's go check out the pool here. This is always one of the highlights. And this is really neat. Look, you have a little bar restaurant right in the middle. Kind of take a walk all the way around this. Got a nice place to take a shower. I guess I got to go around the other end, because if not, I'll have to go swim to the other end. Good morning, sir. Best highlights is up here.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. This is a shot of Manila Bay. Very nice. So right behind me is actually, I believe it's Manila Bay, and this is the hotel where I'm actually staying at, the historic Manila Hotel. And I just did a tour of the pool, but what's cool about this is you can come up on this upper deck and just kind of hang out, and you got that nice breeze coming off the bay and the ocean. Very pretty. Walk down to the other end. It looks like I will probably come to a stop there on this side, but get a good view of the rest of the harbor area, bay area. And back. So this is the gym here in the hotel, which is temporarily because they have some new renovations going on. So this is what you had to use, which is not that bad. They got some elliptic riders. You got some medicine balls. And look, they even have an ab roller. So, you know, you can really get it done. And you got the benches. So this is it right here. Not bad. Thank you very much. Much appreciated. So that'll do. I mean, think about the workout you have to do. You could probably find somewhere to do the pull-ups, but push-ups, I got my bands, I can do a full body workout. So that is the gym. Well, the modified gym. So I'm actually back inside the main area, and this is the most interesting part of this entire hotel is obviously this. This is so really cool, spectacular to see this lobby.